Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here make a bundle of logo intro After Effects templates in 15.7 GB, but don't worry, I will compress it for you in single part, okay? But these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my own file. Go to sheri.skpwd.com. So now you can purchase just in $10 for 30 days, and here 3 month for 90 days, $25, and here lifetime membership in $50. So first I show you the size of this folder, 15.7 GB, but don't worry, I will compressed. And here 3D rotation bevel logo, here footage, and here a font link, classic 2D search logo opener After Effects, same thing here. And next, classic flat search logo, and here light logo, laptop logo, and here gym logo. That's mean here different type of logo intro for Adobe After Effects, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my own file. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.